Hello and welcome back to part 2 of the Bebras challenge Inner Tubes. In this video, we're going to solve the challenge from part 1 and figure out the total number of times the inner tubes move forward in the line. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure to go back to see the full explanation of the challenge before continuing. Alright, let's solve it together. A little trick I like to use is to go step by step and make sure to keep track of everything carefully. Let's look at the initial line of inner tubes. Remember, the tubes are removed in this order: B, G, E, D, H. Let's see what happens when the tubes are removed one by one, while keeping track of each step forward that a tube makes. We first remove tube B. Everything behind B moves forward. Since there are 6 tubes, that will be 6 moves. Next, we remove tube G. This time, only H moves forward, so that's 1 more move. Now we remove tube E. Tubes F and H move. That's 2 moves. Are you still with me? We're almost there. We now remove D. F and H move again, which is another 2 moves. And finally, we remove H. But there are no tubes behind it, so nothing moves, which means we have 0 moves. Now let's add all the moves we noted together. We have 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 11. So the correct answer is 11. So, did you get it right? That was kind of tricky, wasn't it? If you got it wrong, don't be discouraged. Go back over your steps and try to find the point where you made the mistake and then continue from there. This is actually one of those puzzles where being careful really pays off. It actually reminds me a lot of building Lego. If you skip a step in the instructions, everything ends up wrong in the end. But if you go step by step, the piece ends up exactly as it should. If you want to try solving another challenge, you can find more challenges like this one on our YouTube channel. Thanks for solving this challenge with me, and I'll see you in the next one.